Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're gonna show you how to set up Unity to start developing games for the Oculus Quest and Quest 2 devices. First, make sure you have Unity version 2019 or above installed, and you also have the Android build support and the Android SDK and NDK tools installed. If you already have a version of Unity, you can just go ahead and click on the three dots and then add modules, and you can select them anyway. Now you can go ahead into the project menu and you can create a new project. Let's make it 3D project and we can call it VR tutorial. Go ahead and create that. So now we have arrived in our fresh open scene. We're gonna go to Window, Asset Store, and then go and search for the Oculus integration. There we see the first thing on this list. Now you can go ahead and download the integration if you haven't already. You can see I do, so I'm gonna press import here. As you're importing it, you're probably gonna have to restart your Unity application. And boom, we've arrived in our fresh scene with the Oculus integration unlocked. So for the next step, we're gonna create our scene. As you can see, we've got a main camera here. Just go ahead and delete that, because we're not gonna need that. Next up, you're gonna create a new 3D object and add a plane. This is gonna be our ground, where we will move our character in. As you can see, my position is already 0, 0, 0. If it's not with you, you can just right click on the transform option and just reset it. You can go ahead and create some different objects for your map. I created a little slope with some cubes and yeah, some cubes, literally only cubes. Of course you can choose whatever you want with your map, just play around with it. Finally, we're gonna search for our OVR player controller in the projects tab, and we're gonna drag it into the hierarchy. Now move the OVR player controller well where you want it to be. I'm gonna place it right here. Next step, we're gonna search for the local avatar game objects, and there we have it, and we're gonna drag it onto the tracking space part of the OVR player controller by dragging it onto it. Now we're gonna switch platforms. Since the Quest is basically an Android device, you're gonna have to switch to the Android platform. To do that, we're gonna go to File, Build Settings, and in here you can see our list of platforms we can switch to. We're gonna select Android and then click Switch Platform. Now this is gonna take a while, so hold on. Now we just have to do some small tweaks to make everything work properly. Open Project Settings in the Edit, go to Player, and as you can see, normally the Virtual Reality checkbox should be marked. Now under Virtual Reality SDKs, you're gonna hit the plus sign and select the Oculus SDK. Now go to Other Settings, into the Graphics API, and you can see the Vulkan here, and we're gonna remove that from the list. Then go to Minimum API Level under Identification and select the Android 4.4 KitKat API Level 19. With me it's already selected. And there we go! Our Unity project is now fully set up, and all that's left to do is change the developer mode on the Quest device and link it to our PC. To do this, go to the Oculus application on your mobile device, go to Settings and connect your Quest device with a Bluetooth connection. Then press on the Connect device, click on More Settings, and there you should see a setting called Developer Mode. Click on that and enable it. Now your Quest device can be linked to your PC. Now to do this, you're gonna need a USB-C cable. If you don't have the official link cable from Oculus or an unofficial third-party option, you can always use the one you charge your phone with, or even the one that comes with your Quest. This will not be as good as the official link cable, but hey, at least it works. If you connected the Quest to your PC via a USB-C cable, you're gonna get a message like this to allow USB debugging. Of course, if it's your own PC, you can check the Always Allow from this computer checkbox and then press OK. Now I'm gonna playtest my game. So, as you can see, I have the VR camera headset correctly working. I have my hands currently. I can move also. I can interact with these objects. Of course, there's no collision yet. That's a subject for another video. I can also, however, climb this object here, and I can move. I can run on it. And now I'm gonna jump. Whee! Guys, I'm afraid this was the tutorial for today. More tutorials will follow soon. So, yeah, bye!